Hey guys, welcome to my Rise to the Challenge horizontal track template. There's a full tutorial included with the download, but I want to show you quickly what this template can do. In order to insert your own subjects, it's very easy. I'm just going to go to the Insert Subjects Here folder and shut it off. There's also a Background Subjects Here folder too, where the tutorial will explain how to place your subjects a little bit further in the background behind the stadium. To insert my own subjects, I'm going to have a folder of already extracted subjects. I simply select them all, and then I drag them right over top of Photoshop, across the document, and release. They're going to come in one at a time, and I can place them. Something like that. Move her over here. Move her somewhere here. And I'll rearrange these again once I have them all placed. Maybe I slide her to the outside for now. Let's move her here. Now I'm going to rearrange these now that I have them all in there and I can see. So I'm going to move this girl a little bit forward in the layers so she's in front of everybody. And this girl here. Now I'm going to kind of squish these girls together just a little bit more and maybe vary their poses so they're facing different directions. It could be just as easy as something like that. If I had more girls, I could easily layer in a lot more girls to the left and the right and actually make another layer behind to fit a whole bunch more subjects. If I had a smaller amount, I could make them much bigger and fit them in something just like this. Now I can certainly change any colors I want to. For example, the background color, I could make that match their jerseys by just sampling their jersey here. The text is super easy to change. Simply double click on the T and type in what you like. I can change the color also if I'd want to. The template will also have a schedule that you can add to it if you want to. It's just as simple and easy as that to modify.